Hey, Demetria Davenport here, the massage doctor. Today I'm going to show you guys how to register your LLC through the state of Michigan. So what I did up here, I put in michigan.gov and it brought me to this home page here. What you're going to do, you're going to take and click on businesses. When you go down, you're going to come down to Lara Online Services here. Okay, if you haven't done a DBA yet and you're going straight to turning your business and registering your business as a LLC, what you want to do, you want to go down here to Corporation Securities and Commercial Licensing Bureau. What you want to do, you want to do a business entity search. And what you'll do, you'll put your business name in right here. Once you put it in and you hit the search button here, if nothing pops up, you're good to go. If you do put your business name here and it pops up that it's on, somebody else has that name for that business, you have to, and you hit search, you just have to find another business name to put here. What your LLC does, your LLC, once you register your business as a LLC, that covers you for Wayne County and also through the state of Michigan. So no one else in the state of Michigan or in Wayne County can take that name, because I stay in Wayne County. So no one else can take that name. So if you stay like in Oakland or Macomb County, no one in those counties can take your name. Let me see here. Now, if you have registered your business as a DBA, the DBA, when you register that, for us at the Coleman A. Young building, which is the city county building here in downtown Detroit, your DBA is for your county. So for Wayne County, nobody could take that name. So a couple of years later, I did register my business as an LLC. So the LLC does cover your business for your county and your state. Okay, so I'm going to come back up out of here. And then we're going to go to corporations, security and commercial licensing bureau. And you're going to click on disciplinary action reports. Okay, once this page pops up, you want to click on forms and publications. Once you click on forms and publications, you want to click on limited liability forms. Okay, and the form that you're looking for is articles of organization. That's form 700. You're going to click on that. This is the form you're going to fill out. It's in a PDF. So what you can do, you can type in your information here. You don't want to fill anything in up here because that's for the state. They're going to do filling that information there. So what you're going to do, you can type in your name here, your first and last name, your address, your city, your state, and zip code. Here, you're going to type in the name of your business. All right, here. Article 2, you're going to put here what's the purpose of the business. For me, I said massage therapy. I put massage therapy there. Whatever your business is, you'll put, if it's a boutique or facials, whatever you're going to do, you just put that there. So I put massage therapy there. Here, you don't need to put anything here because you don't plan on your business closing anytime soon. So you don't need to put anything here. If you're only expecting your business to be open 10 years, you put 10 years there. But you don't have to put anything there. Here, the name of the resident agent, what you're going to do, you're going to put your name there. Because it's your business, you're going to put your name there. Again, you're going to put your address, city and state, and zip code there. Here in Article 5 is anything extra you need to put here. If you have something, fine. If not, you don't have to put anything there. If you're filling it out for today, you're going to put sign this second day of January 2020. You're going to sign your name here. You're going to print it. You prepared it. So you're going to take and you're going to sign your name here. And you're going to put your phone number here. Here, I believe you just, I don't think you put anything here. I don't believe. Name of person or organization. Waiting fees. Let's see. Then down here. This is where you're going to mail your check to. So when you're filing first time for your for your LLC, you're going to make a check out or a money order for $50. You're going to make it out to the state of Michigan. Okay, and send it to this address. When you sign it, you sign your name here. Okay. And this here is if you want it sooner or whatever. You don't have to do any of this stuff here. So you're just going to send in the $50 a check or money order to the state of Michigan. And you're going to sign it. And then probably in the memo section, you can put your company name there. Also, when you do get your paperwork back, they're going to send you something back where they're going to put your, where is it at? When they're going to put this, your sticker here, they're going to put your sticker there. Is going to be your identification number for your LLC. They're going to put that there for you. Put that there so you can have it. That'll be your identification number for your business. You want to take it and put that up somewhere safely. And then they'll send you a form like this through the mail every year. You have to file this, pay these fees. It's $25 to renew your LLC every year. You'll pay the $25 with the check or money order. And then you can also pay this online as well. You can also pay this online. They make it more convenient for you guys. What else? If you don't renew it by the 15th and it's a couple of months later, you can still renew it. Even if it's a year later, you just have to pay for the past year and the current year coming. They'll send this renewal application back to you. They'll send this out to you rather 2 to 3 months before it's time for you to renew your LLC for the coming year. I hope this information was very helpful to you guys. The Massage Doctor signing out. Mwah! Love you. Bye.